Let's talk about energy. What we need for the data, what we need for our food, what we have fought for. Energy security, gone. Now the United States will decide who we buy oil from.
Yes.
The United States will come to us and say, you cannot buy oil from so-and-so, and so-and-so, and so-and-so. Russia, Iran, whoever they want. They will decide. Our Prime Minister will not decide. Please understand, and they will monitor. They will keep a watch, meaning they will look. And if India buys oil from anyone they do not want, they will punish us. And they will take our tariffs right back to 50%. For the first time in Indian history, our farmers are facing a storm. Makkah, soybean, lal jawar, kapas. You have opened the door. You have opened the door to mechanized American farms, thousands and thousands of acres each farm. You have opened the door to crush our poor farmers. It is disgraceful. It is disgraceful. No Prime Minister has ever done this before. And let me tell you, no Prime Minister after you is ever going to do it. So we are facing a storm. You accept that we are facing a storm. You yourself say the era of one superpower is over, intensifying geopolitical conflicts. You yourself say energy and finance weaponization, and you have allowed the Americans to weaponize our finance and our energy against us. What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What does it mean when they say your tariffs will go down, our tariffs will go down and yours will come up? It means finance trade is weaponized. So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. How can you even make these statements? How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense?
Yes,
Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse. There's nothing, in saying, are you not ashamed, there is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
Okay, sir, let me speak.
forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India? Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. Speaker साहब, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर, पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है, दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर, 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं। नहीं क्यों
I want to understand.
आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू। आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए। नहीं देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25
sir.
मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया।
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर रहा।
नॉट रिलेटेड विद द budget.
Okay, sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow. That will
I'm
not
not
be
saying
part of-
Epstein.
Okay, चलिए।
Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, जुजित्सु में ग्रिप दिखती है, राजनीति में ग्रिप चोक नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे संभाल देंगे? आप किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं। अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
Speaker sir,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़
Okay, तो बोलने तो दीजिए।
आप नियम जानिए।
Okay.
आप नियम
सर,
जानिए।
अदानी जी जो है
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित हो। ये देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें। बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर।
बजट पे
सर, आप मुझे करने दीजिए।
आपको बिल्कुल लगा। आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सरल नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को।
सर, मिस्टर अदानी is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कहाँ क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP.
Leveling charges against higher authority, and only you can speak.
Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे।
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr.
से
Hardeep Puri knows who introduced
आप
him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है, सर।
रानी हो,
हरदीप पुरी is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। राहुल
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No. You are mentioning it is how if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
and I
Speaker,
think
sir.
why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना, ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा। मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Devi. Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this
we
is
have
absolutely-
we have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an
Speaker
ex-member of
has
our party.
absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
Well, you are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know
मानते
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know
बात
your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
So as today, as you are,
Thank you.
as you are sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. Nahin, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा ये you are a leader of opposition.
Okay.
और
So let me speak,
एक
sir.
नहीं, ये please I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know.
What
I know
on
that.
one
That's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side you are saying I will not mention the name. Again you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
So
I will not
think you
mention.
are not ready to avoid the See,
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so. You have to speak only on budget.
I'm
अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना
Speaker, sir.
There is a general discussion on the union budget for
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27. So I think